today we're going to how to make pattern. Last time is gave me how to make a pattern, episode number 1. If you want to see, go check. But now it's episode 2. We'll start. Draw like here, like this, like the same. First, it's like this. What you done is like this, and now I draw the straight. This is line, and see, look like a break. What you done is like this now, but now I draw a straight line. I need flip on my paper. Is it different now? What you done is like this. Look like a break, you see? And now we draw like this. Like around, around, around. What you done is like this, and now it's like this. What you done is like this, and now we draw like this. What you done is like this, and now we draw like this. What you thought is like this, and now we draw like this. Look at that, now we have all this pattern. Like the square, this one, and this like a break. This is another break. This one is round like this on the straight line. And this one on the other side. Straight thing. Like a square shape like this. On the other side like square. You see? Oh, it's time to say goodbye now. If you want to see more of the video, just type my name SIZSECOMART. I have to go back now. See you later.